Hey guys, hi! We are at Masala Library by Jigs Kara. We are here for the tasting menu. It's my husband's birthday today. We are here to taste the 12-course vegetarian menu, and the first dish has already arrived. This is hibiscus pani puri, which has been served with watermelon pastrami, pistachio and rose. This was a great start to the meal, but not a great innovation, honestly. The second course blew us off. Wild mushroom tea. It has truffle sugar, mushroom leaves and truffle soy broth. They've used a mix of shimji mushrooms, Gucci morel mushrooms and black button mushrooms to make this tea. And oh my god, this is fantastic. We're going here again for this one. For sure. Love it. Then we called for some mocktails and honestly, quite average. Course number 3 was Techa Paneer Starter. Unlike what we usually get in restaurants, this one was very soft, very supple, and the techa flavors had been absorbed by the paneer perfectly. We were served with one more dish for the third course, which was tandoori malai broccoli. Aged cheddar cheese and charred broccoli brought out a brilliant taste. Course 4, chevre kebabs. Goat cheese and yogurt kebabs tossed in almond crumbs. Perfect melt in the mouth kebabs. And then a palate cleanser. These are raspberry infused mishti doi lollipop. We nicely sat here and took our own sweet time with the berry infused mishti doi pops. They were quite a good palate cleanser. And then it was time for main course. Course number 6 to course number 9. Firstly, we were served the bread basket, which includes pudina lacha paratha, kalonji naan and honey glazed bhakhar khandi. Then there was bhuna bhutta palak. This was basically palak cooked in a creamy curry along with charred corns, and this was very garlicky and nice. Then there was dal kabila, and what you see me serving is a sabzi called shan-e-kathal, which is basically kathal cooked in a creamy cashew curry. And then the next course number 10 is Kashmiri Gucci Pulao. This brown thing that you see, this is Kashmiri Gucci morel mushroom. This was one of the best dishes that we ate here. It was quite flavorful but non-spicy. The chunks of mushroom in this pulao tasted quite spectacular. The kathal curry honestly was lip smacking, like you can see here. Let me inform you that the review of this 12-course meal that I have posted is absolutely non-sponsored. We have come here to celebrate one of our special days, and all the views that we have expressed about all the dishes are our own. Honestly, it's quite a different experience to go for a tasting menu like this. My husband is telling me that he really enjoyed the meal, and the best dish is yet to come over. But anyway, so it's quite a good experience to go for a tasting menu like this, where somebody walks up to your table and explains every single ingredient and where it was sourced from and how the food was cooked, etc. At least for foodies, it's quite an experience. Happy birthday, Darshil! After the birthday dessert, it's time for the 11th course of the meal. This is jalebi caviar. Jalebi has been served as micro pearls along with a saffron cloud and rabdi. Of course, there's crushed pistachio in the garnish. And then there is the 12th course, This is called Petit Four. There's a carrot barfi with mascarpone cheese. There's a gulkand and pan ball rolled in coconut. There is a chocolate fudge and an Osmania biscuit with sweet apricot. Okay, no exaggeration, this jalebi caviar is out of the world. I'm sure this is what dreams are made of. Oh god. We will call this a paisa vasool meal. Okay, quick recap. The best dishes, according to me, was the jalebi caviar. According to my husband Darshil, it was jalebi caviar as well as the wild mushroom tea. Please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.